Have you ever wondered why borehole installers gives you extra submersible cable? You might think it's wasteful, but there's actually some smart engineering behind this decision. Let me explain why that extra cable could save you thousands of shillings down the road. First reason, your water levels change. During the dry season, water drops significantly. That extra cable lets you lower your pump deeper, keeping your water flowing when the need is most. Second, installation flexibility. Your installer needs room to work safely. The cable has to reach your control panel, which is usually 10 to 20 meters away from the borehole. Without enough cable, you are stuck. Third, maintenance made easy. When your pump needs servicing, and it will, that extra cable gives technicians the slack they need to pull it up safely. No stretching, no damage, no problems. And here's one big thing. It prevents expensive repairs. Underground cable joints fail. They leak. They corrode. By giving you extra cable length from the start, you avoid these costly weak points entirely. Most professional installers provide 10 to 15% extra cable. For a 100-meter deep borehole, that's about 10 to 15 meters extra. It sounds like a lot, but consider this. Recabling a deep borehole can cost you 50,000 shillings or more. That extra cable may be 5,000 shillings upfront, but worth it. So, when your installer suggests cable allowance, don't see it as an extra cost. See it as insurance. Insurance against pump problems, seasonal changes, and expensive emergency repairs. Trust me, your future self will thank you later for it.